Welcome to this quick guide on how to set up a job in MachiningCloud. In less than 2 minutes, I will walk you through the process. Let's get started. Once you're in the app, select Job or Job Management, then New Job. Add the job name of your choice, the workpiece material for the part you are producing. Either choose from My Materials where you can enter custom materials, or enter one of the many predefined materials MachiningCloud provides. Select the machine you'll be using for the job, create a new machine, or leave it blank. Notes can be added, along with images. Include blueprints, setup models, or anything that can help achieve a great setup with minimal errors. Next, add any workholding, tooling or tooling assemblies you would like to use for your job. MachiningCloud has an extensive database, so you'll likely find what you need. Once you're satisfied with your job setup, you can share it with your work colleagues or not, the choice is yours. Download your job setup into Excel or PDF. You can also export the job data to your CAM software. MachiningCloud supports various formats, making the integration seamless. That's it. You've learned how to set up a job in MachiningCloud. It's a powerful tool that simplifies the machining process, making it easy to optimize your operations. Happy machining!